Cooking with Lucas! Welcome to Cooking with Lucas. Today, we're making more brownies! We're heating the oven and now I'm gonna wash my hands. Wash your pan with oil and then you grease it.
Our ingredients today are brownie mix, oil, eggs, water, graham crackers, chocolate bars, and mini marshmallows.
And now it's time to taste test the marshmallows. We're gonna line the bottom with the graham crackers. I'm putting this in here.
Brownie mix.
Yes. Ah! Oh.
All right, what's next?
Okay.
Oil.
Oil.
Half cup of oil. Okay, next.
Eggs.
2 eggs.
1, 2.
Good job. And last,
Water.
3 tablespoons of water.
Now,
Okay.
oh, wait, more.
And
Mix.
then we mix it up.
This. And now we pour the batter over the graham crackers. Have your mommy or daddy put it in the oven. We're gonna break the graham cracker in pieces. And now we top it with mini marshmallows and graham crackers. We're gonna break the chocolate bars into small squares. And finally, we put on chocolate. And now it's time to let it cool for 1 hour. Make your workstation clean. It's yummy!